So today we're going to do something a little different with our fish. I have some banana leaves here, and I'm going to line my baking dish with the banana leaves. I have a can of black beans, and I'm going to layer this on top of the banana leaves at the bottom of the dish. I'm not draining my black beans because I love the flavor. That liquid that it's packed in has some nice flavor, so I'm going to leave that. Now we're just going to put our fish fillets on top of our black beans. Have a little bit of juices, the seasonings from the fish. Just gonna pour that over there. I have some pimentos, so I'm just gonna lay these on top of the fish. And I think we'll have a few extras, so I'll just put some around the fish as well. Extra here. A couple more. You can just nestle them around here. Okay, looks great. Now I'm just going to drizzle some extra virgin olive oil all over the fish. I have some fresh thyme, so I'm just going to lay some of the fresh thyme on the fish. Just get that little bit of stem off there. Not only is this adding a really nice color to the dish, but also a great flavor to the fish as well. I have some extra pieces of banana leaf here, so I'm going to use these to cover the fish while it's baking. Now the fish is going into a preheated oven, 425 degrees. We're going to place it on the middle rack. I set my timer for 20 minutes and then we'll check the fish. The timer just went off, so let's check on our fish, see how it's doing. So you see the banana leaves that I covered it with curl back a little bit, but I have to say it looks beautiful. The fish looks gorgeous. So one thing that I'm going to do is to test it to see if it's cooked. And it feels very, very tender. There's no resistance to my knife going through the point of the knife. So I think that's cooked, and that's 20 minutes right there. So the way that you can tell when your fish is cooked really well is that it flakes off really easily off the fillet. This is so delicious, guys. Let me show you that again, how easily this comes off. And you're getting all the flavors blended together, including some flavors of the banana leaf, which is fantastic.